Gonna need that.
Got the this right here.
Yeah, what's this?
Licorice. How long have you been a construction worker for?
I've been here like in construction more than 10 years.
10 years. Wow. Oh, that's amazing.
That's all I really know. Thank you very much. No problem.
Thank you very much.
All right. Oh, so what's you're from?
We're from just like inspecting lives of like what it's like to build our own place, because like it's a big project. It's like a huge community that's been developing over time.
Oh, okay.
So we just want to like congratulate the construction workers and everything, like make a little documentary for the people at LCMT.
Yes.
Making this video for YouTube or something?
No. We're just looking around.